Good morning everyone. My name is Chitrangi Sharma and I am Assistant Professor in Biani Girls College, Jaipur. I welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I will be delivering my lecture on a very interesting topic, that is qualities of a salesperson. Before moving on to this topic, let us discuss who is a salesperson. A salesperson is simply a person who sells a good or a service. So we can say a salesperson is someone who sells anything. If we see in today's time, everyone is a salesperson. Everyone has to sell themselves. Everyone has to put themselves in the market. And those who are more successful, they are successful in their life as well. Becoming a salesman is a very tedious job. And you know, job of a salesman is a very important job. We all have seen a good salesman, he can sell the product of a weak organization as well. But we haven't seen a weak salesman, he can sell out the product of a good organization. So it's very important to focus on salesmen's capabilities and salesmen's qualities while recruiting them. There's a question that is a salesman born or is a salesman made? According to my view, I think that a salesman can be both born and made. There are certain qualities which a salesman possesses by birth, like sweet nature, looks, appearance, etc. And there are certain qualities which can be developed by developing their personality, by getting proper education, by getting proper training. So the first set of qualities which a salesman should possess is physical qualities. If we will say that search of a salesman is nothing less than search for a proper husband. So it's very true, it's very right. First quality which a salesman should possess is appearance. Appearance means how a salesman looks, how he convinces others. Next is sound health. We can say a salesman should be a very sound person, he should be of a sound health, he should be fit and fine, and he should be handsome as well. Next is stamina and postures. A salesman's stamina and postures tells a lot of things to customers. If a salesman is very dull like this, no one will take care of him. No one will put focus on him. His posture, body stamina should be very right. Next is dress and cleanliness. No one likes a dirty person. The same is the case with salesman. It happens with us. If a salesman is very well dressed, he is very clean, neat and tidy, we would surely go to that salesman only. Next set of qualities is mental qualities. It is being said that the prospect of a selling does not depend upon the prospect. Rather, it depends upon the salesman. Same is the thing with these qualities. A salesman should be mentally alert. He should be very smart. He should be very intelligent. He should have the convincing power. He should be tactful and he should be observer. He should be able to observe the consumer and then decide his tact. Next is decision making. A salesman should be very smart about decision making. He should know where he has to get discount, where he has to sell the product immediately. Next is maturity and enthusiasm. A salesman should be mature enough to deal with person. He should be patient. He should not be like, no, I can't show you anymore. No, I'm getting irritated now. Do you want to take or not? Next are social qualities. A salesman is a social person. He has to live in society only. He has to deal with the people of society. So he should possess certain social qualities. Social qualities include honesty. A salesman should be honest. Behavior, he should be a good behavior person. He has to live in the society only. He should have the capability to create friends. He should have the capability to convince others. And a salesman should be a person who is liked by everyone. Next is grace and poise. A salesman should possess certain grace and poise in his behavior because he is representing his own company. He is representing his product. Last set of qualities are moral qualities. A salesman should be a moral person. He should have a high morale. He should be an honest person. It is being said honesty is the best policy. Same is the case with salesman. If a salesman will go after money, then he cannot be a successful salesman. He should go after money as well as customer's choice, customer's loyalty. We never like a salesman who sells us a thing in which he cheats us. Okay, he can sell a thing one time, but next time we will not go to that salesman. Next is he should have the integrity and he should have the good character. So these are the 4 sets of quality which an ideal salesman should possess. And while recruiting a salesman, we should always keep in mind all these 4 qualities. Now I would like to conclude my lecture by saying that salesmen are problem solvers of an organization and they should act like one. Thank you, and thank you. For more details, log on to www.gurukpo.com.